My name is Chitra Dinakar, and I'm a professor of pediatrics at Children's Mercy Hospital in the Division of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. I am an immunology specialist and also take care of children with allergies and asthma. An immunologist is a specialist who understands how the body's immune system works. In other words, how the body defends itself against foreign invaders that can be harmful. The immune system is a marvelous piece of work. It's made up of a team of soldiers that help defend our body against foreign invaders. Some of these invaders are harmless, and some of them are harmful and can cause disease. So the immune system comprises of a set of soldiers of different specialties with specialized skills that can attack, identify, and kill these invaders. So the immune system not only defends us against invaders, but also lets us continue about our daily business while the immune system is busy fighting them. So we're really doing our usual tasks while our body is continually being invaded by different kinds of pathogens or agents that can cause disease. The immune system is triggered by many different things. Some of them are harmless, like I told you. It could be things you eat, like peanut, or animals like cat allergen. But what we worry about are the triggers that come from outside that can cause infections. These can be bacteria or viruses or what we call germs or bugs, and they can trigger our immune system and cause diseases and cause problems in us. Sometimes the immune system can be triggered by things inside our body, like cells that don't follow the rules, like cancer cells that are fighting us, or cells that attack our own tissues, like our joints, and cause rheumatoid arthritis. And sometimes the immune system gets confused and gets triggered by peanuts and cat, as I told you, which are harmless, but causes a violent immune reaction called an allergic reaction. White blood cells are these fantastic soldiers that help protect us against these different diseases. They have a lot of talents. If you imagine that our body is like a country that's getting invaded by many different invaders all the time, from all directions, from the ground, from the air, from the water. So that's really what the immune system faces constantly. And the white cells are the soldiers within the body that help fight these invaders all the time. So what do? When the cells called the innate immunity cells, they are pre-programmed to recognize invaders, they're called phagocytes or macrophages. Macro means big, and phage is eating. So they're big eaters. They go there to the invaders along the borders, eat them up, kill them, and try to contain the invasion. If that's not enough, and if more and more troops are being drawn there, then they call their own troops, and their friends that they next call are called neutrophils. Neutrophils are even more specialized than macrophages, and they can go and kill the next batch of invaders. If that doesn't work, then these macrophages that have eaten the cells take certain parts of the invaders called antigens onto their surface and go to the big bosses. The big bosses are the lymphocytes, who control everything. The lymphocytes are of different types. They talk among themselves and come to the rescue. These are smarter, though, these lymphocytes, because they not only fight against the weapons that are known, they can also fight against new weapons that the invaders might be coming up with, and sophisticated kind of weapons too. So let's say there's biological warfare or something. These T and B cells look at that, figure it out, and come up with new weapons to kill those cells. And together, they contain the infection and wipe out the bacteria. More importantly, though, they do that without causing a bystander effect. So they want to make sure the body is not targeted at that time, right? You're killing the soldiers, but you don't want to destroy innocent cells that are in the side. And the immune cells manage to do that very well. And in the end, when it's all over, you don't want to leave your guns lying around, and you don't want to have bombs that have unexploded. So the immune cells die after a while and take away all their traces of what they did, and leave a clean site. So it's really, really amazing what the immune system can do and how the white cells fight the infections.